Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a new nail art tutorial where you will learn something fresh and super easy. This design is quick to do, taking just a few minutes, and it's incredibly simple. Check out the screen for the stunning design we will be creating together. Let's get started. For the first time, apply a thick layer of gel polish. In this video we are sticking to just one layer. No need for the second one. I'm using red gel polish in the demonstration, but feel free to pick your favorite color. Let's get that first coat on nice and thick. After applying the first layer, don't cure it just yet. We are going to do the nail art directly on the wet gel polish without letting it dry. I have selected black gel polish for this step. We will create a half circle or semicircle on the left edge of the nail. Then with white gel polish, we will make another half circle in the inner corner. Now using a toothpick, we will create thin stroke from the design. Remember, we are keeping the strokes very thin. Start from the inner corner and work your way to the outer corner. Make sure to leave a gap between each stroke. After that, we will reverse the process, starting from the outer corner and moving towards the inner corner. After finishing the design, cure it under UV light for 60 seconds. Then apply a top shiny coat to seal the design and add extra shine. Cure it again under UV light for 30 seconds. And there you have it. The design is complete. Wasn't that super easy? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thank you for watching.